my name is Aastha and you're watching my channel Art with Aastha. So in today's video, I will show you how to make a compass pouch for school. So let's go. The pouch, you will need foam, a ruler, a scissor, a pencil and hot glue gun. Now choose any two colors of foam paper. I will use golden and pink. For now, you will not need the hot glue gun and the scissor, so please put it aside for now. Use any one of foam paper to be your base and one to be the top. In this video, I have chosen pink as my base color and gold as my top color. Now flip them both around. Now start with your base color, which is pink. So keep the golden aside for now. Start your hot glue gun. Now fold your foam paper in half. From both the sides. Now take your hot glue gun till here. And fold it like this. Pinch it on its edges like this. And now the place which is empty, take your ruler from here. Make a very small line. Can you see it? Now you have to cut on this line. Take your scissor and start cutting. After cutting it, use this part for other things. So leave it aside now. Now you take this and flip it around. After flipping over, your joint will look like this. Now take your hot glue gun and glue any one side together like this. If there are any holes, you can remove, you can add a bit glue in that place like this. And be careful not to get burnt by it. So then it will look like this. Now you take a little bit of the golden foam and draw a line like this. Cut that line out. After cutting it, it will look like this. Now take a glue gun and put glue inside here and stick it inside like this and put it like this. So if you can see, there is glue inside. And now take this and stick it inside. Like this. And take a Velcro with the hot glue gun. Put a bit of hot glue on this. And stick it on. Now you take this and directly put it on this. You can do like this and then take your glue, put glue here and close it. So it will form your pouch. So after putting, this is ready. You can also decorate it. And it's simple and easy. Now you take your hot glue and decorate it. So the finished product will look like this. How did you like it? Comment down and please like my video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.